Hello students, welcome back. Let's continue with exercise 26a. Eighth problem, concise mathematics, 9th class. A, B and C. A, B and C are the vertices of a parallelogram A, B, C, D. By plotting the given points on a graph paper, find the coordinates of the fourth vertex D. A is minus 2, 2. Minus 2, 2. This is A. A minus 2, 2. B is 8, 2. B is 8, 2. B 8, 2. C is 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. C. C is 4 minus 4. This is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So the coordinates of this point, the coordinates of point D is equal to what? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 6 and minus 4. AB is 10 units. So CD also should be 10 units. So from here you count 10 units. So this point is equal to what? Minus 6 minus 4. Minus 6 minus 4. And you have to find the midpoint of AB and CD. So 10 units. 10 divided by 2. 5. 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the midpoint of AB. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the midpoint of CD. What are the coordinates? The coordinates of this point is equal to what? It is 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2. X is 3 and Y is 2. 3, 2. And this is minus 1. X is minus 1. And Y is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 4. 3, 2 and minus 1, minus 4. So D is equal to minus 6, minus 4. Midpoint of AB is equal to 3, 2. And midpoint of DC is equal to minus 1, minus 4. Ninth problem. A minus 2, 4, C 4, 10, D minus 2, 10 are the vertices of a square ABCD. We have to use the graphical method to find the coordinates of the fourth vertex B and the point of intersection of the diagonals, this point. A minus 2, 4. A. C 4, 10. 4, 10. This point. C 4, 10. D minus 2, 10. Minus 2. Minus 2 and 10. Let us draw ABCD, the square, and find the coordinates of B. This is square A, B, C, D. The coordinates of B is equal to what? It is 4, 4. X is equal to 4 and Y is equal to 4. 4, 4. Next we have to find the coordinates of the midpoint of BC. So BC is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So this is the midpoint of BC. The coordinates of this midpoint is equal to what? This is 4 and 7. X is 4 and Y is 7. X is 4 and y is 7. Next, the coordinates of the midpoint of CD. The coordinates of the midpoint of CD. The midpoint is equal to what? This is the midpoint. This is 1 and 10. 1, 10. This point, this is the midpoint of DC. This is 110. Next, the coordinates of the point of intersection of the diagonals of the square ABCD. Let us draw the diagonals. This is the point of intersection of the diagonals. It is 1 and 7. X is 1, X is 1 and y is equal to 7. 1, 7. 10th problem. By plotting the following points on the same graph paper, check whether they are collinear or not. You have to see whether they are in the same line or not. 3, 5. 3, 5. 1, 1. 1, 1. 0, minus 1. 0 and 0, minus 1. Yes, all these points are in the same line. Now let us plot the next set of points. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 4. Minus 4, 1. Minus 4 and 1. No, they are not in a straight line, they are not collinear. First set of points are collinear, whereas second set of points are not collinear. 11th problem. Plot the point A, 5, minus 7. X is 5. Y is minus 7. 5, minus 7. This is A. 5, minus 7. From point A, draw AM perpendicular to x-axis and AN perpendicular to y-axis. AM perpendicular to x-axis and AN perpendicular to y-axis. Write the coordinates of points M and N. The coordinates of M is equal to what? This point is x is 5 and y is equal to 0. The coordinates of N is equal to what? It is on the y-axis. So x is 0 and y is equal to minus 7. 12th problem. In square A, B, C, D, coordinates of A 3, 4, coordinates of B minus 2, 4, coordinates of C minus 2, minus 1. By plotting these points on a graph paper, find the coordinates of vertex D. Also find the area of the square. A 3, 4. 3, 4. A. B minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4. B. C minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. C. Let us draw the square. A, B, C, D. The coordinates of vertex D is what? It is 3 and minus 1. 3, minus 1. The side is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So the area is equal to what? Area is equal to 5 into 5. 25. Area is equal to 25 square units. In rectangle OABC, point O is the origin. OA is equal to 10 units. OA, this is 10 units. Suppose this is A. OA is 10 units along x-axis. OA is equal to 10 units along x-axis and AB is equal to 8 units. So AB is equal to 8 units. OABC is a rectangle. OABC is a rectangle. We have to find the coordinates of vertices A, B and C. What is A? It is on the x-axis. Therefore, y is equal to 0. X is 10 and y is 0. B. X is what? X is 10 and y is 8. X is 10 and y is 8. C is x is 0 and y is 8. 0, 8.